Want to see yourself in a Studio Ghibli style image? In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn your own photo into a stunning Ghibli inspired image using ChatGPT. Please open up any browser in your computer or mobile and in free version of ChatGPT, please type hi. Now go ahead and type this type I see everyone using you and convert their images into Ghibli style effect. Once you got a response from ChatGPT, now let's upload my image and ask ChatGPT to convert it to Ghibli style. Perfect. ChatGPT has converted my image perfectly to Ghibli style with all of the views in the image. So let's quickly go ahead and give one or two images more. Perfect. See how amazing is this? Now let's go ahead and quickly generate the last one. Upload from the computer. Amazing. This has generated the third Ghibli image from my image, and all of these images are with a perfect quality and result. Now, let's say we want to download these generated Ghibli images. Okay, I have generated and downloaded Ghibli images on ChatGPT totally free. Now, in the next quick activity, I want to show you that we could also give our prompts to ChatGPT and ask to generate the image. So, in this prompt, create a transparent PNG image of cute cat sitting gracefully. The cat should have short fur, bright eyes, and adorable expression. The background should be completely transparent. Amazing. We can see that ChatGPT has generated the transparent cat image for us. Now let's go ahead and give the last prompt to ChatGPT to generate an image of young man for us that is standing in the majestic mountain under a clear blue sky with some clouds scattered around. Perfect results of image generation from ChatGPT using the free version. So that's it about today's quick video. First, we have tried generating stunning Ghibli style images from ChatGPT, and then we have tried generating images from ChatGPT with giving a perfect prompt. So, this method works now, but AI keeps evolving. Play around with prompts and have fun. Keep in mind that this approach may be limited, so results might change over time. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.